The people born on 14th August are influenced by the celestial bodies, namely Mercury, the Sun and Uranus. Your zodiac is Leo. The foregoing planetary alliance will cast its great impact upon your attributes. Mercury in the ascendance Leo shows good intellectual coincidence. This intellectuality conceives decisive traits in you. The only threat from the planetary union is that it makes the person impatient, by which he jumps to a conclusion promptly, immediately, because becomes impulsive and loses temper easily against such individuals who cannot take decisions instantly or who cannot work. As per positivity of this planetary union, individuals become ambitious. It is beneficial for artists, writers and actors, etc., whose professions aim at influencing people. The union of Mercury and the Sun boosts up self-confidence and ability to be an ace in the arena of economics. But the disposition of taking challenges can make you hooked to betting. The fortunate composition it would be if your disposition is kept under control. The alliance of Mercury and Uranus will bring sudden changes. Change will be manifested in work and work arena. The aforementioned planetary union will pull you towards alteration as well as frequent touring and create restlessness in your disposition also. The individuals born on 14th August are categorized as emotional fools and aggressive. Along your work or deed will exhibit the strength of your willpower and self-control that would not stay for long. You would dislike the elongated bedroom and work. Your caliber will be viewed while being trapped in sudden and critical situation or in the complex situation while indulging in work assignment closest to your heart and through which your skill would get exhibition. Frequent changes will surely be experienced in your love life. You will have crush towards the fresh faces. You would be amazed by the people and places till the newness found in them. Fast means of transport as aircraft, motor cars, etc. will fill you with thrilling excitement. In fact, your heart will desire every such invention that tends to contract the distance. You will form rules for yourself. Therefore, giving suggestions and arguing with you will not be easy as it seems. Economical condition. You will have dexterity in formulating plans for others. You will have skills and adaptation quality that deny feeling rejected. The most threatening risk for you will be developing closeness with the crooks. Before you would encounter to the prospective consequences, the problems will trap you. Health. You would make your nervous system stressful. You will make your body tired due to following irregular regime. You can feel pain in various body parts and nerves. Sometimes indigestion and internal organs can also be damaged. In such circumstance, you will switch to the things that assure immediate relief, and hence, in case you acquire outrageous attitude in taking pills and stimulant drugs, then you will be hooked to them. The most important dates and numbers for you are 5, 14, 23, and the trailing vital dates and numbers are 1, 10, 19 and 28. You ought to complete your work projects on the foregoing dates as far as possible. The individuals having 5 as their propitious number is supposed to be less influential. They are corresponding to every number and people despite being born in any month. The same this is applied on colors also. You can put on any color and will find them relevant also. But you will have craving for light shades. The propitious gemstones for you are diamond, pearl and every kind of bright stone. The most important years in your life are 5, 14, 23, 32, 41, 50, 59 and 68. The individuals born on the date that belongs to the series of 5 would divert your attention towards them, such as 5, 14 and 23. But as being a person having 5 as favorable number, you will not get much afflicted. But as being a person having 5 as favorable number, you will not get much affected. These are general predictions for the person born on 14th August. If you have any specific query, then you can write in comment box or email us. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and share these predictions with your loved ones. Thank you.